Hi, welcome to the Landis Valley Village and Farm Museum. My name's Terry, and here at Landis Valley, we interpret Pennsylvania German history from 1740 to 1940. We have a working farm program with farm animals. We have original buildings. Our collection is incredibly large. It's over 250,000 pieces that were collected by the local Pennsylvania Germans. We have furniture, we have farm equipment, we have textiles, we have anything that would have been important to the Pennsylvania Germans from 1740 to 1940. When you come to Landis Valley, you'll experience our interpreters that are demonstrating everything from blacksmithing to broom making, from tinsmithing to leatherwork. You'll see our animals. They're working animals. They are our co-workers here. And you will see horses, sheep, pigs, chickens, and our cattle, Penny and Laurel. And before you leave Landis Valley, we encourage you to visit our museum store where we have items for sale from our interpreters and our demonstrators on site and other artists working in the Pennsylvania German tradition.
For more information, visit discoverlancaster.com.